Public Works is a public service to the residents of the city of LaFayette. It involves patching potholes, cleaning ditches. We have our own sanitation crew where we go around pick up garbage in the cans. We have debris and brush pickup. It also involves the cemetery. We have our shop that works on all of our equipment. I feel Public Works is important to the city because it is a public service. We take pride in what we do. We're not always aware of every situation, but that's why it's important to call in if you see something that needs to be addressed. It's our job to go out and see the issue and fix the issue and make the streets safer and better for the residents. And to improve sanitation, we're daily working on better ways to improve garbage pickup, debris pickup, and brush pickup. Here at Public Works, we take pride in what we do. To contact Public Works, give us a call at area code 706 639 1511.